Spaghetti carbonara, although an Italian dish, it has good popularity all over the world, including here. Invented once by ordinary miners, this simple and satisfying pasta has won the hearts and stomachs of many. For carbonara, you need to choose such slices of bacon where there is more meat and less fat. If there is a lot of it, then, as it melts during cooking, it will make the pasta too heavy. You can crush the garlic and throw it into the fry. But in order for the dish to acquire a refined, barely perceptible aroma, it is enough to darken the garlic slices in oil and remove from the pan after a couple of minutes. It is not necessary to use spaghetti carbonara in the recipe. Choose your favorite pasta from 500 types of all kinds of pasta, but only from durum wheat. Melt the butter in a frying pan and fry the finely chopped onion, garlic and bacon in it to softness into a distinct smell of garlic and fried bacon. Boil water in a large saucepan and cook pasta until al dente. Usually for this you need to cook it for a minute less than indicated on the package. Whisk 4 egg yolks with cream and grated Parmesan in a deep bowl. Salt and pepper the mixture, beat again. Dump the bacon pieces fried with onion and garlic into the finished spaghetti. Pour in the mixture of cream, yolks and Parmesan, mix. Serve immediately, sprinkled with freshly grated cheese and ground black pepper.